Tembló grande, tembló grande.
Sí, grande.
Grande, fue grande.
It's Mother's Day. I did a good job of being a mother. Making myself a mother? How does that work? And we're going for a drive to the ocean, but it also is raining. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. To the right. We're trying a new road. We turned off at San Vicente. Don't know if the accents are in the right place. But it's beautiful. Oops. Cows.
Oh, it's a bamboo forest.
Oh, wow. It's all bamboo. And this will come out in Bugaba Creek. Just driving along, and Clancy noticed this pen full of birds. There's 2 cans in there. There, you can see that one. And parrots. And there's one up higher. Look at that. So cool. We lost the pavement somewhere. Beautiful out here. This sign says you can't go in here because of how many snakes there are.
There's a person in there. Yeah, and there's a person in there with a snake hook.
And a machete. Found the pavement again.
Look at that house.
Pretty fancy house up there.
There's a little pond. A diving board on it.
This is the Frontera check. We're right before the Costa Rica border. They have like Frontera guards that check your stuff. Passport, stuff like that. This is Paso Canoas. That's the Panama border right there, where Clancy and I stamped out. And then after that, you walk about a quarter mile or so onto the Costa Rica side, and you get stamped into Costa Rica. This is the road down towards Porto. That right there, that road, that is Costa Rica. This road, with all the little places that you can get across, is Panama.
These are all open.
Wow, it really moves. Holy cow.
We are having a crazy earthquake. We were driving, and all of a sudden the truck just started wobbling everywhere. There's a man on a horse over there.
Tembló grande, tembló grande.
Grande.
Grande, fue grande.
This is the road into Coco Beach.
You have to tell this about that.
We were just driving along and the truck started swerving around like crazy, and it felt like there was something really wrong with it. And then we noticed the trees and everything were moving too. And Clancy pulled over, and guys were running out of buildings like crazy, and they're saying it was a grande earthquake. It was crazy. Even when we stopped, you could feel the truck rocking and moving around. It lasted a little bit, and then it stopped, and then everybody goes back inside or goes on the car again. It's kind of funny. Here's the mango trees. We stopped and picked up mangoes last time. I'm not seeing any this time. So the gate to Coco Beach where we were planning to go is locked, and this is right beside it. We're wondering if there's any crocs in here, because we saw a croc last road trip we took. Looks like an adventure. It's sturdy. Girls are throwing coconuts in the water. No crocs have come up to eat them yet. And Clancy made it across the bridge.
Shall we go across?
Here we go.
Once you go past the ones that are really spaced far apart, the next one is not connected to.
Here we go. Look at what you can see through these boards. Look at that. You can boat up there. Is it a step down?
Right here, this one's not connected to anything.
Okay.
And there's a crocodile.
Crocodile.
And there it is.
Look, it's got coconut juice in it.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, you done with it? There's the ocean. There's not even a breeze today.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you, Tiggy. We're gonna have lunch and sit by the ocean. Puerto is over there. What did you find, Tiggy?
Seagulls.
What? Yeah?
Found this one. Very small. Found this one. It's kind of clear. It's got 2 stripes in it. I found this really cool red rock. A super big one.
Yeah?
Alrighty, don't step on my
And
shoes,
this one.
please. You're stepping on my shoes.
Nice. See your friend, Daddy? We're out for Chinese food. We've heard that this is a good place to have it at, it's called Yasmin on the Costa Rica side. These guys are watching TV. We haven't had a TV in so long. I can hardly wait to eat. I'm starving.
What kind of fish is it? It looks like
all this food. Aiden has his wonton soup. There's Addie. Good way to end the day.